Welcome to this gorgeous, fully renovated Midtown gym where timeless charm meets modern luxury. Step inside and discover a light-filled, open-concept layout with 4 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 beautifully updated bathrooms, and a sun-drenched sunroom that's perfect for relaxing, working, or entertaining. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated, from the globally sourced high-end finishes to the warm design elements that make this home feel effortlessly stylish and comfortable. Whether you're looking for a personal retreat or an investment opportunity, this home delivers both. Currently operating as a successful income-producing Airbnb. And the location, you are minutes from Tulsa's favorite spots: shopping, dining, medical centers, and quick highway access, all at your fingertips. Don't miss your chance to tour this one-of-a-kind Midtown beauty. I will be there every day this week, Thursday through Sunday, from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Schedule your showing and make this stunning home yours.